Hey, everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, we've got a practical and helpful guide for you. We're going to talk about how to reset your Honeywell thermostat. Whether you're experiencing issues with your heating or cooling, or you just want to start fresh with your thermostat settings, we've got you covered. Now, the Honeywell thermostat is a popular choice for many homeowners due to its reliability and user-friendly interface. But sometimes, you might find yourself needing to reset it, and that's what we're going to explore today. Point 1. Understanding the basics. Before we dive into the reset process, it's crucial to understand the basics of your Honeywell thermostat. Most Honeywell models have a display screen, buttons, and a few settings that control your HVAC system. Familiarize yourself with your specific model to make the reset process smoother. Point 2. Check the manual. The first step is always to consult your thermostat's manual. It's like the user's guide to your specific model. Look for the section on resetting or troubleshooting. The manual will provide step-by-step instructions tailored to your thermostat's features. Point 3. Power cycle. One common method to reset many Honeywell thermostats is by power cycling. This involves turning off the power to your HVAC system and then turning it back on. Locate the circuit breaker or switch that controls your heating and cooling system, turn it off, wait for a minute, and then turn it back on. Point 4. Soft reset. For a soft reset, you'll want to access your thermostat settings, navigate to the system or mode settings, depending on your model, and look for an option to reset or restart the system. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. Point 5. Factory reset. If a soft reset doesn't solve your issues, you may need to perform a factory reset. This will revert your thermostat to its default settings. Again, refer to your manual for specific instructions on how to perform a factory reset for your particular model. Point 6. Updating firmware. Sometimes, updating your thermostat's firmware can resolve glitches and improve performance. Check Honeywell's official website for firmware updates and follow their instructions for installation. Conclusion. And there you have it, a guide on how to reset your Honeywell thermostat. Remember to check your manual, try a power cycle, explore soft reset options, and if necessary, perform a factory reset. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement tips and tutorials. Thanks for tuning in to Smart for Home. If you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover, leave a comment down below. Until next time, stay comfortable and take care.